Buenos dias. Yesterday I had no food, nothing, really nothing, and this family give me everything. Muchas gracias. Look at that. When you give something and you have nothing, I think that's the solution. Look at that view. Do you think you need more? I think minimalism is the best. What do you think about that? Then next days you're getting a good fiber. You have to work in the fire departure, my friend. And this small beauty, we are friends. Yeah? You're so beautiful, Linda. You're so beautiful. And look at this garden. You don't need so much. You need nothing. Just like nature, harmony, family. Look at this small guy. Yesterday he don't want to play with me, and now we are friends. We are friends. I like to make new friends. Welcome to the paradise. This should be like Friday night. Go.